everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely watch. It's accessory watch. You should just make it like adjust it over your wrist. This one is very beautiful. It's accessory. It's not original watch. It's like a copy watch. So I got this watch online and I discovered it's really wide for my wrist. You're gonna see in a minute. So I need to adjust the watch over my wrist because I have a really small wrist. So I'm gonna show you how to do it at home by yourself without doing anything. Like it's really easy to do it. So as you can see here, this is the watch over my hands, and as you can see, it's really wide. You're gonna see in a minute again. So yeah, if you want to see how to adjust your watch at home by yourself, so keep watching. Okay, let's begin. This is my watch. It's a completely new. I didn't use it before. As you can see, still with the plastic wrapping, and as you can see, it's really wide. It's like I can't wear it like this, so I need to take a lot of like chains from it. I don't want to call chain, I guess. So I need to take at least 5 chains from this watch so I can I will be able to wear it. So let's begin. So what you're gonna need, you're gonna use this really fine, very small screwdriver, yeah. So as you can see, it's really small one, so you need something very small to help you like push the nail. And of course you're gonna need a small pliers, and like this large screwdriver is just like something to hit the nail with. Okay, you're gonna see in a minute. So let's start. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and adjust the lighting so you can see everything clearly. And this is my lovely watch. It's so beautiful. It's not original, of course, because if it's original, you're gonna adjust it at the store. You don't need to do anything by yourself at home. But if it's accessory or a copy watch, you need to do it by yourself. So let's start. So I removed the plastic wrapping so I will be able to remove the chains, and now I'm seeing the how many chains that I need to take off from my watch, so it will be nice and perfect for my wrist. And as you can see, I need to take at least 5 chains. That's a lot of chains. Of course, you just see it for yourself. You need to remove 1, 2. For me, I need to remove 5. So let's do it. So now I'm counting like how many chains that I have each side. So I ended up having 7 for this watch on each side. So I need to take 3 chains from one side and 2 chains from the other side. Okay, so I have 7 on each side. Of course, the locker chain doesn't count as a chain that you need to remove, because you need to take it off and then we're gonna add it back so we can wear the watch. Of course, you need your locker. So here again, I'm just seeing how many chains that I need to have. So now I'm gonna remove 3 from down and 2 from the top. Okay, so be nice and perfect on my wrist. So as you can see, this little dot here, this is the nails that we need to remove and add back. Then as you can see, there's a flat, this surface is a flat and this surface is a little bit rounded. We're gonna work on the rounded part because we need to push from the rounded part to the flat part so you can remove the nail, and then we're gonna add it back from the opposite side. So as I told you, I need to remove 3 from down and 2 from the top. So the first thing, I need to remove the locker. Okay, this is a chain of the locker, so I need to remove the lock. So I'm gonna take it aside until I finish removing my chains. So I'm gonna show you now what I need to do. As you can see, I'm working on the small dot side, and I'm gonna take my screwdriver and just begin to add it over the nail, over this small dot, and then take my big screwdriver and or the hammer, yeah, I found the word, it's hammer, and begin to like hit it, like as you see here. As you can see, there's a little like elevation here. This is a nail that I need to remove. Take the pliers and pull out. Here we go. Okay, this is a nail. We're done. Okay, put it aside and remove the lock, as you can see. And of course, as you can see, I have a towel on my table because you need to hit really hard sometimes, so you need that towel so you don't break anything. So I need to remove 2 from here. Okay, so I'm gonna add my screwdriver again, begin to push it a little bit, and take my little hammer and begin to hit it many times. Okay, this nail was really stubborn. It was so hard to remove, to move from its place. So as you can see, I'm trying to push it and trying to hit it. It was so hard. So you do the same step until the nail begin to come out from the other side. So this one was really stubborn, but at the end it was a success. So here, begin to see a little bit of elevation, trying to take it out with the pliers, but I couldn't. So I'm gonna do it again. Add my screwdriver, hit it many times, and yeah, there's a little bit of success here. Push it, and finally, okay, as you can see, and take it off with the pliers. Here we go. Now I removed 2 chains from this side. As I told you, the locker doesn't count as a chain because we're gonna add it back at the end. So as you can see, now I'm gonna remove the locker from the other side. So I remove it completely from the watch so I can remove the rest of the chains. And do the same steps. As you can see, this is the chain of the lock. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Add a screwdriver, hit it, and pull the nail out with the pliers. And yeah, this is a locker. I'm gonna put it aside, and then I decided to put it down so I know where I'm gonna put it, so I don't like put it on the wrong way. So as you can see, now I know this side to this side. Okay, so let's remove the rest of the chains. So I need to remove, should remove 3 from this side, but I discovered that I did it in the wrong ways. So I should remove 3 from here and 2 from here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove 2 from here again, and then I'm gonna remove another one from the other side later on. And do the same steps. Okay, as you can see, I removed 2 from each side. And now I'm seeing the watch if it's nice or I need to remove even more. Now I know I need to remove another one. So okay, as I'm gonna remove another one from this side, so I'm gonna add my locker to this side so I don't forget how I'm gonna put it and make it right. So as you can see, now it's time to add the nail from the other side. I work from down up. Now I'm going from up down, as you can see on the screen, and I'm gonna go with the rounded part and the flat part will be on the top. So I need the flat part of the nail on the top of this surface, so we'll be in. Okay, and as you can see, I'm taking the nail all the way in. Okay, it's nice, and fix it in place. What I'm gonna do, take the hammer and just press it and hit it a little bit, not too much, until it's completely down and there's no elevation on the surface, and now you're done. Now I'm seeing, sorry for going out of focus, I'm seeing how much that I need to take, so I decided to take another one more and do the same process again, remove it like we did before. And here we go, the final step. I need to complete everything and add the other chain of the lock back to its place to close a circle. Okay, again, this is the flat part, and I'm gonna add the nail from the rounded part and leave the flat part to the upper part. And yeah, take your time and add it. Okay, here we go. It's in place, and take the nail, the hammer, the screwdriver, and it's fixed and perfect. Okay, now it's time to try it on to see if it's perfect or not. So as you can see, it's pretty small, smaller than the way we started because we removed 5 chains, but still for me a little bit big. The watch is really heavy and I hate that the feeling of something heavy going around my hands or my wrists. So what I'm gonna do off camera, I'm gonna remove another chain so make it nice and tighter. But as you can see, it's way better than it was before. I can wear it like this. So this is the process. Now I adjusted the lighting so you can see perfectly. As you can see, it's way better than it was, how it was. And now as you can see, these are the chains that we removed from the watch. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add all of them together and save them later on in a safe place, because one day maybe I'm gonna need them to replace any chains or to add more like width for the watch. As you can see, now I removed another one off camera, so it's really perfect, fixed on my wrist and pretty nice. I have a really small wrist, so 6 is very nice removing from the watch, and it's perfect and it was so good. So this is like a quick video for the watch when I got it as a review, but actually this is the video, we did it. So this is how you adjust your watch at home by yourself without taking it to anyone. It's really easy and really nice. And yeah, this is it. I really hope you like this video, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.